Hey guys, I don't know if you're gonna see this video first or the one I recorded first. The one I just recorded told you I was gonna do this video, but it said it had between 16 minutes and 27 hours to upload. So who knows? Okay, I want to show you, because you guys were asking what to. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do a video, a tutorial on my puffy fun rosettes. Like I said, I learned these from Zuli C, and she hasn't been on in like a year or so. I messaged her when I made these because I was thinking of her, and she was the one that taught me. And I don't know if her YouTube channel's still up or not. I should probably check, but I'm gonna show you guys. So these are the ones that I've sewn. And then I'll go ahead and show you the ones that you do by hand, which I know a lot of people have a hard time with these. So I was like, these are easier, but more more time consuming. Okay, so what I do is I just take any thread, it doesn't matter, any length, doesn't matter. I tried prepping, and then I thread it. Well, make it long, you know, you don't want it like too short. And then make sure your hot glue gun is plugged in. And I'm just tying my knot. That's how I tie my knots. Eek. Okay. So then what you do, first off, this is a little bit, no. First, I always cut this. Don't worry about what I just said. I always cut this to about 22 inches. This is, the length of this glass, cutting that. So it's 22, and then I keep folding it like this. Make sure it's all even. And then I cut about 1/4 of an inch off, straight across. Okay, and then I unfold it and I take this and I work from the right side. And then you just go in and out. Okay, see? Hopefully that's in focus. Okay, in, out. The whole length of, I don't know, you guys, if I've done this tutorial before. Okay, and then you'll slide it off. Oops. So if it gets too much on your needle, it's okay. Just slide it off. And then just keep going. And it doesn't matter if they're evenly spaced, but try to. Okay, so then there's that. So then this is what it looks like when it's all done. And then I always cut out little 1-inch circles, however you want. Okay, so then I scrunch them together. That, and then I'll tie it. And I'm doing this. Ooh, there it is. Don't get it too tight. And you don't want it too loose. So then there's that. So then I double. I hope you guys, okay, you can see, double knot it. See, look at that. So there it is. Do it one more time, just for the safety of it all. And then you want to cut your strings. And then this is where, fluff it, do whatever. See, isn't that cute? And then I'll take my little circle and then I'll do one side. Isn't it cute? And then we'll do the other side. And then there it is. It's so fun. It's like relaxing. It's one of those like projects you can make a whole bunch while you zone out. Okay, so then I want to show you the folded one. I cut this about 12 inches, and I do the same because, well, the longer it is for these, the ones I staple, the fluffier it is. But like this one was the same length, and it doesn't look as fluffy. You know what I mean? There's not as many layers. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, and I know a lot of people have a really hard time, and I did too. I couldn't get the hang of it. I never could. I gave up, and then I came back like a year later, and then I gave up. One day I was like, just do it. Just who cares if there's a whole bunch of messed up ones? And I did it. So I just, and then I start, I'll move with my hand. It's almost like you have to get it at the right angle. Sorry. Have to get it at the right angle. And if you mess up, you mess up, and start all over again. It's crepe paper. There's millions of yards of it. And that's what I did. And you know what? Sometimes mine aren't always perfect either. And then when I get to the end, I just kind of like, whatever. And see how that's kind of smashed? Or not circular? You can always add tulle. You're always, well, most of the time, gonna put something over the top of these. So it doesn't matter if this side is wonky. That's okay. We're gonna put something over the top of it, you know? So it doesn't have to be perfect. Let me do it again with blue. I always cut it. That is a stupid bug. I hate these stupid bugs down here. I've told you guys a million times. I hate them. I don't know what they are besides annoying. Okay. I just always like to cut it off. I don't know why. Okay. Let's try again. Let's zoom out. Kind of angle. Oh my gosh. So okay. Jules just called, and now I'm gonna have to upload this on my computer. See, I don't always do it perfectly. But you just have to have the angle down, and then of course you can put your tulle on top. And then there's that one. Oh, sorry, I got interrupted. I'm so mad. And then, so there's that. I hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, comment. You can find me on Instagram or my email. And let me know if this turned out for you. I'm so glad Zuli taught us. And I just love it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.